Okay, just a quick demo on how we exchange on Karatbars International. We exchange um, our fiat currency for the best gold at the best price, and then we're able to take it in within our ecosystem to multiply the value of that. Okay, so I'm going to take what is 44.40 euro, and what we're talking about here is just about $50. You know, you can do the math, euros to dollars to euros or euros to dollars, and you'll come up. It's just about $50. Okay, so I just put 1 gram of cash gold into my back office. Now let's take a look at this for you, those of you who are not familiar with it. Karatbars International is the largest um, provider of small increment gold, what we call transactionable gold in the world. All right. What you're looking at there is a gold ingot. It is 4 nines, meaning this is the purest gold is commercially refined. Has its own number identifying this particular gold bar. This is LBMA gold. It is gold that is certified as real. We have certificates of authenticity, the number, as well as here you have some security features built in the card, right? So it is part of our Carat Pay system, and that's huge in and of itself. So you can buy gold anywhere else you want. You're not going to get the same quality as is this for the price and that we have here. Additionally, you're not going to all you're going to get somewhere else, even if you were able to find 4 nines LBMA gold out there uh, at this price. You don't get what we get with it. We have a system, a payment system. You know, one of the first questions people used to ask me is, okay, so if I buy it, so where do I cash it in at? I mean, like, okay, we're about moving you away from a debt-based system into a wealth-based system. And the first thing people ask is, how do I run back to that system that has been robbing people of their wealth for generations and refusing and also not just that, they're extracting that wealth from the working and investor class, those who are striving, trying to create wealth and take care of themselves and their families. They are extracting that and giving it to the top 1%. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so store. We're going to store this, of course, and that's the option. I could have it shipped to me. And the other beauty about this, now I can buy as much of this gold as I want. I can use a wire transfer. I can use a credit card, debit card, Bitcoin, or other forms of payment. In this case, I'm going to use our payment MasterCard, our Karatbars prepaid MasterCard, which is within our ecosystem again. And for that reason, because it is in our ecosystem, I don't have to put any information in there because this is my back office and that gold is tied to my back off or rather that card is tied to my back office, and so I didn't need to put anything in. You see, order is confirmed. In other words, no credit card number, no name that's on the card, no expiration date, none of that. It's already there. And so I'm going to show you where that 1 gram of cash gold is. It's right there. Now what we're going to do, not referral links, but I want to go over here and load my Carrot Pay wallet. Now I'm going to load my wallet. This is my Carrot Pay wallet. This is the wallet that's part of our payment system that I mentioned earlier, right? So I'm going to put that 1 gram that I just purchased in here. Now, mind you, that gram cost me about $50, right? 44.40 euro. So we're going to take that and we're going to move it over to my wallet. Bang. What does it say? Your load e-wallet successful. So I've successfully loaded my e-wallet. Now I'm going over to our exchange. We have our own exchange, Caribbean Exchange. We're not on this exchange. You at this point, we have two other cryptocurrencies being exchanged there, and that's Ethereum and that is Bitcoin, right? There are other cryptocurrencies right now as we speak. moving toward being listed on this exchange. But we're not worrying about that right now. That's coming. Why? Because this exchange brings so much value to them. Why? Because as I mentioned earlier, we have our own payment system. That's just one of the things. In other words, our payment system is being rolled out where these cryptocurrencies, currency in air quotes, because they're not currencies, they're called cryptocurrencies, but they fall way short. Why? Because a currency, you must be able to spend it. You can't spend it, it's not a currency, right? So what we have is our KBC coin, um, which is gold backed, and it is a currency because we have our own payment system. Anyway, let me move on, and I'm going to move over that the 1 gram that I just purchased, right, or just exchanged my fiat for. And 1 gram, we call them univals on this side because a unival is 1/10 of a gram. So 1 gram equals 10 univals, right? And so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and uh, process this payment, right? In other words, this little window popped up and it asked me to sign into my wallet so that it could, process the payment. And that payment has been processed. You're going to see that number change. Now that 10 univals is over here. So now what I'm going to do is go over to our markets. In the markets, you see we have a number of different, and this will expand as more and more cryptocurrencies join us over here for the benefit of being on Carat Bit exchange. So I'm going to move this over. Now I'm going to purchase that. So I'm going to go ahead rather than choose limit, which I could go down and set a price that I'm willing to sell at. I'm going to make this go smoothly and quickly. I'm going to go ahead and choose market. So I'm going to choose market, and I'm going to go ahead and so 698. Hey, that coin is going up, isn't it? Wow. Just a little while ago, maybe an hour and a half ago, I got more. And our coin is raising because it is an asset-backed coin. So I'm going to get 698 KBC for that 1 gram, right? All right. Order placed, order complete. Now I'm going to go over here to my dashboard, and you'll see that now that number, which we didn't look at previously, but that number has increased. Could have verified that for you, but not to worry. That 698 um, uh, KBC coin has been added to my total over here, right? And so there it is. I've just taken just shy of 7 grams, right? Just slightly shy of 7 grams. What does that mean? With Karatbars International on July 4th, Gold Independence Day, where 100 KBC coin will equal 1 gram of gold. If essentially what I've just done was taken $50 and turned it into what? $650, right? I'm sorry. I've taken $50 and changed it into $350, just about, right? So there you are. That's a quick video on that, and I hope you got some value out of that. And understand, get back to the person who shared this video with you. There's a lot more to this system than that. We are in a period where you are able to do what previously only the well connected were able to do, right? And that is turn money into more money with the system that you have access to. And see, we don't have access to Wall Street, to the NASDAQ and all of those things that the wealthy, and they have other systems out there that they are able to use, where they're able to take 10,000 and turn it to 100, 100,000 and turn it to a million and turn it into 10 million, 100 million, etc. That's the system that they're in. Now you have that opportunity to be part of a system, global system. We're in over 130 countries, and our product is gold. Don't listen to those naysayers out there, those people who like to say, "Oh well, it's this and it's that." No, it's not. Our product is money. Gold is money. So that's enough said on that. If you have any questions, contact the person who sent this video to you. Contact, or if you got this organically, you just search in the internet, you ran across it, or if I sent it to you, then reach back at me, ask for further explanation. We have meetings 7 days a week, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day, explaining, not just myself, but other members of this vast organization. We have over 500,000, right around 600,000 affiliates and customers. And a lot of us are very active because we're not only benefiting, but our business is to help others do the same. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate your time and your patience. And please don't hesitate to reach out and check out the links and check out the other information and comments that'll be connected to this video. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.